2011 Dodge Challenger SRT8 Inauguration Edition. Just got sold, doing a courtesy walk around for the customer. Going out of state. Very cool car. Of course, it's a stick shift, two-tone leather, white and blue stripes, and white and blue on the inside. Very cool color combination. Low miles, 77,904. Starts right up. Everything seems to be working great. Beautiful car. A little tire pressure. It's gonna pump the air. Sounds amazing. One of a kind. Sounds amazing, runs amazing, and it just looks gorgeous. Inaugural edition, is that what it's called, I guess? Pardon me if I pronounce it wrong. Leaving our lot very soon. Nice and warm in Florida today. It's October 13, 2025. Woo! This car runs beautiful. Pardon my seatbelt sound. Transmission is good, clutch is in good condition, everything works perfect, shifts through all the gears. On the way to its new customer. We'll miss this baby. There you go. Alright guys, if you need any help with cars financing, just give us a call. Check the website, dynamicmotorsflorida.com. We're here to help you with all your car needs, financing, bad credit, good credit, shipping costs, shipping assistance, transportation assistance. We got you. Thanks again and have a beautiful day. And congrats to a new buyer for this beautiful car.